Ever wondered if your skincare routine is in sync with the seasons? Just like the leaves on the trees, our skin changes throughout the year. The fluctuating weather and environment bring about alterations in our skin's health. As the seasons turn, the skin's needs alter, and so should our care for it. From winter's dry chill to summer's scorching heat, every season has its own unique impact on our skin. And just as nature adapts to these changes, so should our skincare routine. The skin, like nature, adapts to the changing seasons. What happens to your skin when seasons change? Just as the weather shifts, so does your skin's needs. Winter often leaves your skin feeling parched and in need of extra hydration, while summer can cause an overproduction of oil and potential sun damage. Spring's pollen may trigger allergies, resulting in sensitive skin, and fall's cooler, drier air might necessitate a moisture-rich routine. It's crucial to recognize these seasonal shifts and adjust your skincare products and routine accordingly. Each season leaves a unique impact on your skin. So, how do you ensure your skin remains healthy all year round? The secret lies in tailoring your skincare routine to the changing seasons. As each season brings its own challenges, your skincare regimen should be dynamic. In the dry, cold winter months, for instance, a rich moisturizer becomes your skin's best friend. On the other hand, when summer rolls around with its intense sun rays, sunscreen is a non-negotiable in your routine. A season-specific skincare routine can help maintain your skin's health and glow. Have you heard about the Ayurvedic approach to skincare? It's a holistic method that takes into account various external factors like the changing seasons, your diet, and even your lifestyle. By understanding these influences, you can tailor your skincare routine to meet your skin's unique needs. This approach helps to achieve balanced and healthy skin by aligning your skincare regimen with nature's rhythm. The Ayurvedic approach, a holistic way to keep your skin looking its best, no matter the season.